Now I think we should add some rings around one of our planets. I think we're going to do it to our rock planet that we've created. So let's have a look at how we're going to do that. As we can see here, we've got a good start on what we're doing here. Let's create a brand new layer. So we're going to come down here and hit New Layer. I'm going to name this Rings. So get out of that. And let it think for a second while it's getting out of that. There we go. Let's do Rings. Good. Now let's let's hit M for our marquee tool. And just hold Shift as we bring this up. There we go. That looks pretty good. Let's move this over to where we can see it a little bit better. Now what we're going to do is let's just go ahead and render some clouds in here. So we're going to go Filter, Render Clouds. There we go. And our Rings layer. As we can see, it's got a little bit of funkiness going on to it, but that's quite alright. We're going to live with that. Actually, you know what? Let's change this. Let's go to D, X. Let's go to Control F now and render some clouds. There we need to be. Let's close this planet out just so we don't have to see it. That's what happened. It actually added it under the highlights. So let's grab this, bring it on up, and drop it on top. There we go. Now everything's looking a little bit better proportioned. So we can turn everything back on now. There we go. We'll pause right here and we'll come right back to it.